So hello friends, welcome to all of you on this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a concept in which you can earn millions or billions. This company has started from Cyprus. The company name is Sports Star. This company is fully legal and you can work on it without losing your money. If you are new to here, then subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon so that all updates of this company can be reached to you. By investing only $100 in this concept, you can fulfill all your dreams. If you join this concept, then you will have time, money, family, dream car, dream house, name and fame. The company has its own wallet, its own exchange. It has listed the token. If you want to check it, then go to the etherscan.io and click on the search bar. All details about the token or company will be displayed in front of you. You can earn profit by adding any of your cryptocurrency here, and whoever registration here from your reference, you will get $5 off each person. Just register and complete KYC of your downline and you will get $5 off each person. So let's start talking about the plan. Here is the game of contest. You can take advantages of SST tokens or any cryptocurrency on casino, sports, multi-currency or exchange on this platform. So here is the exchange platform. Company has on exchange. The company is giving you a lot of convenience like fiat money spot, margin trading, tokenized assets trading for sports, voice ID and face ID verification, referral system bonus and discount to the wallet holders. Multi-currency wallet. The company is giving you a lot of convenience, that is multi-currency account. You can add your any cryptocurrency. This wallet very safe or secure. Here is instant conversion of your funds. Anonymity cryptocurrency payment. Sports Star here is very grateful thing that is sending funds via mail and phone number. Welcome to the future of sports. You can play the fantasy game and earn Sports Star token. You can also play casino here. Company gives you blockchain power betting and unique social delivery. You can also trade here, exchange here with any cryptocurrency or betting here on games. Next is the token information. Its token listed on etherscan.io. Total tokens are 10 crores. Its price is $0.1. Symbol is SST. Total tokens available for public sale is 5 crore SST. Soft cap is a 3 crore SST or hard cap is a 5 crore SST. If you want to purchase it, you can purchase with these methods: Bitcoin, Ethereum and 20 plus altcoins. If we talk about its token distribution, then 50% will go to the public sale or 8% reserve, 2% bounty, 5% of advisor, 15% team, 20% reward pool. If we talk about its fund allocation, then 53% goes to the project development, 15% marketing and community building, 9% operation and reserves, 12% business development, 8% reserve, 3% legal and compliance. Company provide you trading exchange. You can trade here or earn millions, billions dollar. Next is the popular pricing package. If you purchase the beginner package with $100, then company gives you 100 SST token or 1% interest up to 7 days. Total you will earn $107 in 7 days from here. You can withdraw 24/7 first day to till 7th day. If you purchase the advanced package with $300, then company gives you 300 SST token or 1.1% interest up to 10 days. Total you will earn $333 in 10 days from here. Same as standard package, intermediate, expert or premium package. If you purchase the premium package with $5,000, then company gives you 5,000 SST token or 2% interest up to 45 days. Total you will earn $9,500 in 45 days from here. Next income is a level income. It is non-working income. If you join someone with $100, then you will get 4% of his investment. And if your direct person joins someone else with $100, then you will get 1% from the company. In this way, you will get 1% from the third level and 1% from the fourth level. In this way, if you join someone with $300, then you will get 5% of his investment. And if your direct person joins someone else with $300, then you will get 2% from the company. In this way, you will get 1% from the third level, 1% from the fourth level, 1% from the fifth level. Same increment with standard, intermediate, expert, premium. In the premium, if you join someone with $5,000, then you will get 10% of his investment. And if your direct person joins someone else with $5,000, then you will get 3% from the company. In this way, you will get 2% from the third level, 1% from the fourth level, 1% from the fifth level, 1% from the sixth level, 1% from the seventh, 1% from the eighth level, and 1% from the ninth level. The next income is a auto pool income. If your investment in this company is equal to $1,000, then you automatically entered in this pool, which is non-working income. This is a 3x3 matrix system in which ID activates from anywhere in the world level, then automatically the matrix of 3x3 will be formed below you. In this pool, you can earn millions, billions dollars without working. From the first level, you will get $1 from 3%. Totally, you will earn $3 from this level. Those 3 users below you, 3 new users will come below all of them. Then there will be 9% in your second level. So you will get $1 of each person. Total, you will earn $9 from his level. As like that, you will earn $27 from the third level, $81 from the fourth level, and $243 from the fifth level. In this auto pool, you will earn totally $363. In the second pool, you will earn $1,089 without working. And in the third and last pool, you will earn $2,730. Next is a business level income. After your 9th level, your working will be divided into 2 groups, which name is Group A or Group B. If you achieve the first level, $3,000 in Group A and $3,000 in Group B, then company gives you $100 as a business level. If you work $15,000 in Group A and $15,000 Group B, then the company gives you $500 as a business level income. If you work 25 lakhs in Group A and 25 lakhs in Group B, then you will earn $50,000. Next is a top-up wallet. If you convert your income to top-up wallet, then you will get bonus from the company. Example, if you $2,500 to $4,999 convert to top-up wallet, then you will get 5% extra bonus. If you $5,000 to $9,999 convert to top-up wallet, then you will get 7.5% extra bonus. If you $10,000 to more convert to top-up wallet, then you will get 10% extra bonus. You can also use this income in features too, like roulette, poker, slot machine, and bowling. So this is the plan. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye.